Alright, I don't know if you remember what that looked like, but it's pretty well smooth. I mean, yeah, it's not perfect or nothing, but this thing comes with an 80 grit, and this black side is the coarse, and this here is more spongy. See, this in here is hard. This in here is spongy, and you could put it on either side, and it comes with all of these. There's several, all the way down to, I think, the 120 grit. Yeah, 120 grit. Anyway, I kind of like it. It's going to come in really handy when I get to do the roof on my gnome house, and I'll record that. But I wanted to get one in, show them that yes, I did receive it, and I am giving an honest review. Anyway, thanks.